Come here. Come on. What is this?
What they do?
Sassy? What is this? Huh? Sassy. Look at me. Look at me. What is this?
You're videotaping that.
Sassy. Come here. Come here. And look at it. Come here. Really? Did you and Harley do that? Well, just because you have a friend helping you doesn't get you off the hook. Are you ashamed? You are? Okay. Well, I'll forgive you.